guys have ever wondered how to install a RocketBunny diffuser on your car, the first thing I'm going to tell you is you need to cut your stock diffuser. So if that's not something you want to do, that's something I don't recommend, because you can't really come back from this. Once it's on, it's pretty much on forever unless you plan on just deleting the whole factory diffuser. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a little cutting tool. I think it's called like an oscillating tool, so we can cut the plastic. And then we also have some a little belt sander and some tools to be able to bolt the diffuser, which has bolt holes right here, here, and here, so we can bolt it to the actual bumper. So first off, let's start off by cutting it up. So as you guys can see there, it's already cut. I did remove the tow hook covers. Didn't really feel like cutting them, and then I went ahead and trimmed all of it. Obviously I left the edge pieces just because you don't want, you want something where the diffuser can mount here on the side, and then as well as drilled some of the bolt holes for it already. So to cut it, I use this oscillating tool. It's very handy, very easy to do. You just press it and it like vibrates. You can even touch it with your hand, and you can cut through the plastic fairly easy. So I got all that removed. Obviously I removed the third or the reverse light. I guess it would be a third brake light or a fourth brake light if you upgrade it. But now we can see everything, which actually looks kind of cool. The only thing is you can see the crash bar, so that's not something we want to see. That's why most people will delete it if they're going to be deleting the whole little plastic diffuser along here, but we left a little bit of an edge. You guys can see there's some bolt holes from where I bolted, and there's 2 bolts there because I'm using those bolts to hold the tow hook covers to the actual diffuser, because we need to bolt to them. Unfortunately, the way the RocketBunny kit is designed, the diffuser, the holes are pretty evenly spaced, and that hole seems to line up right with the tow hook. So I already drilled through them, and then there's one more bolt down here that gets drilled underneath on this piece right here. You guys can see there's a little hole right there. So now that we got that all cut up, now we can go ahead and move on to the wiring. So this is the same factory wiring that comes with the car. So all I did is I clipped it to this metal, because normally it's clipped on to the diffuser piece in these areas here and here, but obviously that piece is missing and we no longer need that light. So we went ahead and cut it off. They're right over there, and we spliced it. So we're going to be connecting this to the new light, which is going to be right here. And it even comes with its own little wiring harness right there. So we just have to connect that to that. Obviously you connect the black with the black, and then the red with this green. That's going to be your power, and that way the reverse light on the new RB diffuser will be turning on as well. So there we are, everybody. Got the diffuser on, the reverse light is on. Obviously I have the car in reverse right now with the key on, so you guys can be seeing that. And it's like one of the simplest installs to do. Obviously if you have the proper cutting tool, it makes it a lot easier. But even if you don't, you just take your time. Make sure you don't cut the white section of the bumper or the painted section. I've seen people that cut that and kind of like mess up and scratch their paint, and that's something you don't want to do. So if you want to be extra careful, you can always mask off your bumper and just get to cutting in case you do mess up. It'll hit the tape before it actually hits your paint. So that's another way to be a little bit more precautious in case you're not too sure of your skills with cutting. But other than that, it's a simple install. You need to do like a little bit of wiring and getting it bolted on. But other than that, it is on and it is looking gorgeous. Obviously this is going to be paired with the full RocketBunny V3 kit, as you guys can see right there, which is what this is, the V3. I believe the V2 is exactly the same. It's just the V1 that's a little bit different. So in case you guys are looking to install a full diffuser like this, now you guys know, and it's probably like a 2 out of 10 difficulty. It's not that difficult at all to install. It took me maybe like 15 minutes at best. So hope this video helped you guys out, and as always, you guys have a great day.